Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I installed the dash camera in my car. It's a Golf 7 facelift 2019, so I think I could have done a little bit better job, but I think it's pretty fine. So I have a USB powered dash camera, 70 May M300 I think. So let's begin. The power comes from the fuse box. I installed this, as you can see, this USB port here, tapped into the fuse, the cigarette lighter fuse, and the power comes from there. So then the cable comes out here, comes up here, and goes behind the weatherproofing trim. I would have liked to put it behind the A-pillar here, but as it has an airbag in it, it's really difficult to remove. And the clips there are different, and as I read about it, I figured out I can break them. So didn't want to risk it, didn't want to buy new clips because I have no idea where to find them. So I just ran it here behind the weatherproofing, and you can't even see the cable. Only thing where you can see it is here. But I think it's pretty out of the way, and like it's tucked in here nice and tight, so maybe not a problem. And then I went up here. I will show you from the outside. Well, I don't know. Maybe we can take a better look. And then, well, it went behind the trim there, and you can't even see it. And well, there's the camera. So I will show you a little bit more from the inside. And then I need to clean my car from the inside. Also, it is useless, it's during the winter. So then I took off this thing here. As you can see, there's a small cap here, but you won't ever notice it if I don't point it out. And I ran the cable, USB cable, from here in here to here, and it came out here. So yeah, it's a little loose. If it gets annoying, I don't know, I haven't run the car yet, then maybe I will have to find a better way, because I don't want to over tighten it with it here, although I think I could tighten it a little bit more. But maybe it's fine, maybe it won't rattle. If it will, then I deal with it. And then the cable comes out from here, and here's the camera. Well, and hopefully it all works. So yeah, I hope. Well, this A-pillar is sadly hard to remove, so it's not the perfect job. I could have removed the A-pillar and then fished the wire through here, like beneath the roof headliner, but well, I didn't. And I don't think this little cable will bother me that much, so I hope you guys found the video useful, and good luck with your dash camera installation.